All right, the second step we're going to want to do here is head over into payment providers and get our back-end payment set up. This is how we're going to collect our funds from all the sales that we make on our Shopify store. So if we're going to be focusing on drop shipping, the first thing that I'm going to recommend you do is disconnect PayPal. I've had people run into issues with PayPal and drop shipping, mostly because the shipping times with drop shipping is a little longer. So PayPal will hold your funds until they're aware that the consumers have received their products, and so automatically the email that you set your store up with will be associated with a new PayPal account that you can then set up on PayPal. So the first thing we're going to want to do is edit this and deactivate it for now. The next step you're going to want to hit is setting up your Shopify payments. Shopify has their own payment provider that allows you to collect transactions directly on your Shopify store. You can also use other payment providers like Authorize.net, but it's really easy just to set up Shopify payments and get it integrated into your shop super quickly. So we're going to click in here. It's just basic information in order to tell Shopify where to send payments. So they ask for your business address, some personal information about you, your birthday, your social security number, the products that you're selling. And then down here at the bottom, they're going to ask for a bank account to connect. So a routing number and an account number in order to deposit the funds that you or the revenue that you make on your Shopify store.